Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 Hyundai Elantra stock number 7024. This ran from 9th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It's a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory naked tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory naked tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory naked tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory naked tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, in the console lid, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,